So, hello and welcome back, and today we have a Ford Focus MK4 in Stline, and what we want to do, we have a normal display, and what we want to make, we want to make virtual or digital, fully digital. So if you don't know how to remove these panels, there is another video for that, so check out the channel. But now let me show you what you need to do to get this thing into our virtual. So there is one plug over here that you need to take out. You take out this normal display or tacho or speed, and then what you want to do is take this one, click it in. It's kind of in a different spot, so it's a bit harder than I would like it to be, but nothing overly too second. So once you click this in, you take it inside on its own spot. They are basically the same, just this one is a bit longer. And yeah, here we have. So 21,000. So yeah, 21,000 on this tacho. So yeah, let's see what we have here. Tire pressure, fuel. Is this anything new? Settings, select screens. This is one. Calm screen. What's this? Trip, computer trip, seat belts, echo, traffic signs, average speed, audio, phone, settings. What we have here? Local hazard, driver assistance. Yeah, stuff like this. I don't know if the car would even start with different. Let's try. Yeah. And this one has even display, pop-up display. So yeah, it does start. When you start focus, press clutch, driver open, all the kind of stuff. Yeah, and there is, I mean, everything is malfunction. This car is kinda. Driver open, bonnet, lift gate, engine, all this kind of stuff. Yeah, so I know if there is anything else we can check out. Yes or no? I mean, yeah, that's about that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, comment, like and follow. And yes, we will try to make more videos as we can. And yes, that's about that. See ya, and stay tuned for more.